Tired of Gamma only exporting PDFs? Get transparent PNGs in 4 clicks. No workarounds needed. I have been there. You build this beautiful presentation in Gamma, every slide looks perfect, and then you try to grab one element for a social media post or a landing page design, and Gamma just gives you a PDF or a web link. Useless, right? But here's the thing. The exact steps are already built right into the app, and I have used them myself multiple times, so I know they work. Let me show you exactly where to click in Gamma to export your slides as PNGs. Just follow these steps. So first, you want to open up any one of your Gamma docs. It does not matter if it is a presentation, a document, or a web page you are building. Find the slide you want to export as a transparent image. Got it? Now look up at the top of the screen, near the right side. See that little icon that looks like 3 dots stacked on top of each other? Just click on that menu icon. This is where Gamma hides all the extra options that are not right on the main toolbar. Click it. Now the menu drops down. It is a short list. Do not get overwhelmed. What you are looking for is the option that says Export. It usually has a little arrow icon next to it. Go ahead and click on Export. Inside that submenu, you will see a couple of different file format options. And here is the really important part. You want to choose the one that says Export as PNGs, not PDF, not image file. Specifically the PNG option. Click on that. And that is it. Gamma is now processing your request. It might take a moment to process, especially if your slide has a lot of images or complex graphics on it. Give it just a few seconds. You will see a little download notification pop up in the corner of your screen, or your browser will prompt you to save a file. That file is your transparent background PNG, ready to drop into Canva, Photoshop, Figma, whatever you need. Just wait for that download to finish, and you are good to go. So, to recap, the whole thing is just 4 clicks. Open the 3-dot menu, click Export, choose PNGs, wait for the download. Once you know where to look, it is actually way simpler than it seems at first. Now you can grab those transparent images from any Gamma project without any extra tools or complicated workarounds. Go ahead and try it on your next project. I promise it will save you a ton of time.